So, so in the very first question, Julia, when you were talking about that group at college, the professional development group, and you made the statement that a really powerful thing about that space was that you could bring your whole self into that space. And I was hoping that you might say more about what that means.
Sure. So from my perspective, children should feel like, so my experience in those programs was that I didn't have to leave my cultural and linguistic background at the door in order to feel like I'm a math doer in this particular space. It was never questioned, right? We were all math doers in this space. And one of the things that I think is really important for math teachers to understand, or teachers of mathematics to understand, is the curriculum, the experiences that you create in the classroom, both the curriculum and the community, needs to affirm the wholeness of children and all the complexities and joy that brings, right? And for me, one of the ways to do that is to start with your curriculum. Is in your curriculum, for example, do students see themselves as in the curriculum? So for me, curriculum is both a mirror and a lens. People use mirror and windows as part of their metaphors that they use. For me, curriculum is a mirror and a lens. So you need to ask yourself, how do I help our students see themselves in the curriculum, the mirror? And how do I help students engage in the correct curriculum, engage in mathematics as a lens to their world? Not to look through a window, but to actually analyze the world, the lens, use a lens to make sense of the world. And so for me, the ways in which you can create a place where students are seeing themselves and learning from each other and learning about the world is the kind of space, the mathematical space that I think children will thrive. And that is, I think, the purpose of our math education, is to help kids thrive, right? They want to be, they're coming to us as mathematical doers. How do we support that and strengthen that and affirm that in our classrooms? And if we're not, then that's where we need to look to change. So that would be part of, from my perspective, the ways in which teachers can begin to recognize and to affirm the wholeness students are bringing to the classroom and the complexities that we all have when we are learners as human beings. I think that is an important to remember, that we all, to remember the humanity that exists in the classroom, and to leverage that humanity to support the mathematics learning that we all want to see happen.